When teleworking, it is critical that you stay focused on your professional tasks. Messaging apps are the main sources of digital distraction. You can't shut down these channels since you're using them to communicate with your coworkers. Let's see how Knock-In allows you to set up a stressless and distraction-free teleworking environment. You access the setup from the drawer, and what you have to configure are just two things. First, select the contacts you will allow to reach you real-time over the messaging apps. These are your VIPs. You can modify the list dynamically depending on the projects and tasks you're working on. And second, define your daily work schedule. During your work period, you will only be notified of incoming messages from your VIPs. All other messaging notifications will be automatically silenced. You can set a reminder that will let you know at a convenient time for you how many non-VIP messages have been received. There you go. That's all you have to configure. Now just activate the teleworking mode and start a productive work session.